Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change profile picture on Amazon. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. A shopping profile is automatically created when an account is first opened. You can create up to 5 additional profiles for an account. So how if you want to change your profile picture on your Amazon? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, you have to open our Amazon. Now you can just go to your profile by tap on here. Now you can just tap on your profile in here. Here, so you can tap on view. As you can see, I don't have profile on my Amazon. You can change by tap on your profile pic in here. Tap on pencil icon in here. Tap on change profile photo. Don't forget to allow access. And now you can just change profile photo from camera, or you can choose on media picker. You can choose the photo from your phone. For example, I will choose photo. I will choose this one. And you can just tap on continue. So here's your new profile picture on Amazon. It's so simple, right? So that is how to change profile picture on Amazon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.